If your car isn't running as smoothly or your fuel economy has dropped a bit, there's a chance your catalytic converter might be getting clogged. It happens over time. Carbon buildup starts to collect, and slowly it can affect how your car performs. That's where catalytic converter cleaners come in. They're a simple way people try to clear out some of that buildup without getting into expensive fixes. In this video, I'll go through 8 of the best catalytic converter cleaners for better performance and emissions. Look at what they do and which ones might be worth trying. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these catalytic converter cleaners aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Liqui Moly Catalytic System Clean. This is the most budget-friendly cleaner on our list. If your car feels a bit slow or your fuel use is going up, this is one of those simple fixes people try first. It's made with a mix of additives that help clean out carbon and dirt from the intake system, combustion chamber, and even the catalytic converter itself. So it's not just a one-spot cleaner. It works through the whole system. Using it is easy. You just pour it into your fuel tank, and as you drive, it starts breaking down the buildup little by little. You don't need any tools or extra steps. It's more of a gradual clean, not a quick fix, which makes it better for regular use. And here's what Soam said. Works great, use it about every 2 months, makes a world of difference with the gas mileage and running of the engine. Easy to use. The bottle is compact and light, around 0.3 kilograms. So it's easy to store or keep in your garage. Most people use it as part of routine maintenance every few thousand miles. So if you just want something affordable to keep your engine and emissions system in check, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 7 is the Motor Power Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner Kit. This is the best professional grade cleaner on our list. If basic cleaners haven't really helped, this is what you should try. It's a full kit made to handle deeper issues like P0-42-0 or P0-430 codes. You're going to have 3 parts: a fuel additive, a foam spray cleaner, and an engine flush. Each one targets a different area, so you're cleaning the whole system, not just one spot. The foam spray goes straight into the intake to break down heavy carbon. Then the fuel additive works through the exhaust, cleaning the catalytic converter and even the DPF system. On top of that, the engine flush clears out sludge and buildup inside the engine, which can help with power and fuel use. It does take a bit more effort than pour-in options. You'll need to follow the steps carefully, but that's the point. It's built for a deeper clean. One buyer wrote, "Simply amazing. A little extra step, but it really makes the difference compared to other more simpler products. Definitely worth the effort. Simple enough for anyone to do themselves after watching a YouTube how-to video." Price is higher than basic cleaners, but you're getting a full system treatment. So if you want a more complete professional level clean and don't mind a few extra steps, this kit is the one to go for. Number 6 is the Urgery Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This is the best cleaner for basic maintenance and light cleaning on our list. If your car isn't showing big problems yet, but feels a little off, this is the cleaner I'd look at first. It can handle light carbon buildup before it turns into something bigger. The formula works inside the catalytic converter and helps clear out deposits so exhaust can flow better. Plus, it's very simple to use. Just pour it into your fuel tank while filling up, and that's it. You don't need any tools or extra steps. You can use it every few months without thinking too much about it. As it runs through the system, it helps the engine burn fuel more cleanly. That can mean slightly better mileage and smoother acceleration. Some people also notice less exhaust smoke, which is always a good sign. So if you just want an easy, low-cost way to keep things clean and running smoothly, this one fits perfectly. Number 5 is the Rislone 4720 Cat Complete Fuel. This is the best all-in-one fuel and emissions cleaner on our list. If you don't want to deal with multiple products, this one simplifies everything. This cleaner not only cleans the catalytic converter, but also the fuel system and the whole exhaust path. So instead of fixing one area, it works across the entire system in one go. Just pour it into your fuel tank, and as you drive, it starts cleaning things like injectors, sensors, and buildup inside the exhaust. It works with gasoline, ethanol blends, and even hybrid cars, which makes it pretty flexible. What stands out is how it helps with everyday driving. A cleaner system can mean better fuel burn, which may improve mileage and reduce emissions like CO and NOx. It's also designed to be safe for modern engines, including turbo and direct injection setups, and it won't mess with your vehicle warranty. You're supposed to use it every 5,000 miles or so to keep things in check and avoid bigger repair costs later. So if you want one simple product that handles fuel, exhaust, and emissions together, this is an easy choice. And if you want to know the latest prices for the catalytic converter cleaners discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This is the best multi-system cleaner on our list. Most cleaners only focus on one part of your engine. This one goes a bit further. It's made to clean the whole system, not only the catalytic converter, like fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, and even the cylinder heads. Everything gets a light clean as you drive. Just pour it into your fuel tank and that's it. It works while you drive and helps break down buildup that can slow your car down over time. It targets performance and fuel use at the same time. It helps your engine run smoother, and you might notice less fuel being used. Plus, it helps get rid of that weird exhaust smell older cars sometimes have. It's also safe for pretty much all vehicles: gas, diesel, hybrid, and even flex fuel, just not for two-stroke engines. Most packs come with 3 bottles, so you're gonna have multiple uses, which adds to the value. So if you want one simple cleaner that handles your whole engine system without overthinking it, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 3 is the Chevron Techron Fuel System Cleaner. This is the best preventive maintenance cleaner on our list. So this one isn't about fixing big problems. It's more about stopping them before they even start. If your car still runs okay, but you want to keep it that way, this is where it fits in. Just pour the whole 20-ounce bottle into your fuel tank and drive like normal. It works through your fuel system and helps clean out small deposits before they turn into bigger issues. Over time, that can mean a smoother ride, less hesitation, and fewer random engine hiccups. It also helps with cold starts, which is nice if your car struggles a bit in the morning, and keep your fuel stable for up to a year, which is useful if the car sits for a while. It's a single bottle treatment, and the price usually sits in that mid-range spot. Not the cheapest, but you can often find small discounts or bundle deals online. So if you like to stay ahead of problems instead of chasing them later, this one is a really easy choice. Number 2 is the Gum Mount Complete Fuel System Cleaner. This is best for full fuel system cleaning on our list. So this one is like a deep clean for your engine, not just a quick touch-up. It has something called Carbon Clear Tech, which means it mixes 3 strong cleaning agents instead of 1. That helps clean fuel injectors, intake valves, and the combustion chamber all at once. Just pour a bottle into your tank and it starts working as you drive. Plus, it doesn't just clean. It also helps to stop new carbon buildup from forming, which is a big deal over time. It also fights issues caused by ethanol and moisture in fuel, which can slowly damage parts if ignored. So in a way, it cleans and protects at the same time. You might notice smoother performance and better fuel use even after one full tank. It comes in a pack of 6 small bottles, which makes it easy to use regularly. Price-wise, it lands in the mid-range, but bundle packs often bring the cost down per use. So if you want a cleaner that covers the whole fuel system and keeps things running right long-term, this one is hard to beat. Number 1 is the Catalytic Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. This is the best overall catalytic converter cleaner on our list. This cleaner does a bit of everything, which is why it sits at the top. It's not just for the catalytic converter. It works through the whole system: fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, even the cylinder heads, so you're getting a full clean in one go. Just pour the 16-ounce bottle into a low tank, drive for a bit, and let it do its thing. This cleaner targets real problems and helps cut carbon buildup, which can mess with how your car runs. That means smoother driving, less hesitation, and better fuel use over time. It can even help lower emissions by a big margin, which is useful if your car struggles with tests. It's also safe for most vehicles, like gas, diesel, hybrid, and even flex fuel, so you don't have to overthink compatibility. Price-wise, it's on the higher side for a single bottle, but you pay for an overall best cleaner that actually tackles real issues. So if you want one cleaner that covers everything and helps keep your engine running right, this is the one I'd go with. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect catalytic converter cleaner. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.